Alright everybody, we are hitting week 4 here in distance learning, April 20th through the 24th. Learning target this week. Students will understand employee right to know, which is a Minnesota law, SDS sheets, and hazardous communications, also abbreviated HazCom. We're ready to go. What you're going to accomplish by this week is you're going to watch the overview, which you're doing right now, and week 4 expectations. You're going to watch Workplace Safety Chemical Safety Parts 1 and 2. There are 2 videos to this. It's a little bit longer video today going through the presentation. It's just finishing up that presentation. If you want to look through the presentation, you can look at it from last week. You are going to post to an MSDS discussion board, and you are going to submit an SDS at your home assignment. So let's get right into it. Remember, Han and Stieber have office hours. They're right there. You can click on that Google Meet and we'll be there for you. So this week is talking about hazardous communications, and since we got some extra time here is Joe Exotic's hazardous communication at his place on the Tiger King. He definitely had all buckets must be clearly labeled, and he definitely had that labeled correctly. So moving forward here, we're going to week 4 folder. You're going to be doing overview and expectations of week 4. You're going to be viewing this video here. You're going to watch the workplace safety video part 1, workplace safety video part 2. You're going to do the MSDS 3 product post on the discussion and the SDS at your home. So those videos are pretty straightforward. Here's a 3 product discussion here. Again, looking at the post writing, we want really good post writing here. Okay, 10-point scale. Take a look at the following products, answer the following question. What hazards are there with the product? So you're looking at section 2 on the SDS sheet. And then what should you do to protect yourself from these hazards? Section 8. Spray paint, WD-40, and whiteout. Those 3 things. Okay, so you're going to have 6 questions to answer, basically. So you put spray paint, 1, 2, WD-40, 1, 2, whiteout, 1, 2. Pick some products that would kind of be in anybody's workplace, possibly. Then go back to the week 4 folder. SDS at your home. We used to do this at your work where you had to take a picture of the SDS sheet area, but you're going to take a picture of a chemical or product that you use at home. So cleaning chemicals, cleaning products, if you have spray paint at home, if you have whatever you have at home, take a picture of it, and then you're going to do a Google search for the SDS sheet. So you're going to type in, if I'm going to do spray paint, I'm going to do the brand name of the spray paint and then SDS sheet. Try to find the most recent sheet. You can also try to go to the company's website as well. Upload a picture of your chemical, so that physical picture of the chemical that you're doing, and the SDS sheet that you found. And that project will be complete. And that would conclude your week 4 work. Any questions? Remember, come to the Google Meet, and good luck, students. Have a great week.